buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day.
Hey guys, oh my god, it's been a while since I've last vlogged. The last time that I vlogged was it was Christmas. I uploaded my Christmas vlog. But yeah, so now it's March. It's been a while since I've been gone for a while, so I've been wanting to start vlogging again. I'm just gonna get ready, and yeah, so what I'm gonna first start, I already washed my face and all that stuff. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. It has like a tint of foundation, which lately I've been having lots of acne, so which not lately, it's not nothing new, but I've been having lots of acne, so I just want to give my skin like a little break and not wear too much foundation. So I just want to wear like very minimal, and this is what helps. Honestly, I've been liking it a lot. It's very lightweight and it's not full coverage. It's not what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for full coverage. I'm just looking for something that will moisturize my skin but still look awake and not look dead. So yeah, and I bought this brush. It's the Sephora brush. It's the Pro Flawless Airbrush, and its number is 56. I don't know if you guys can see that, or here, it's the 56. And yeah, so I'm just gonna drag this down here a little bit. I'm sure you can see like a couple of my blemishes here and there, but that's fine. I'll go with a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape and just cover that. I just want to cover this one for sure, and I think this one, but other than that, yeah. And I'm gonna go in with this one. But my Mexico trip was really good. I want to put some under my eyes just to look a little bit awake and not baggy eyes. Okay, that looks, I feel like I made it even worse. Okay, so honestly, this is like the third time that I've tried it, and I've honestly liked it. It's really good though. I like that it's very lightweight. Just gonna put on some chapstick. Then I'm gonna go in with my brows. You guys know I really don't do anything to my eyebrows. I just brush them out if I can find. There you go. I use the Clear Brow Gel Anastasia. So I just brushed these out, and then I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It's the only one that I've honestly liked. Honestly, it's really good. You guys should definitely give this one a try. Now the other one. Yeah, so that's that. I feel like I still look the same. So I just changed into my outfit. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I'm wearing. Combat rain boots, leggings, long sleeve, and a cardigan. That's pretty much it. Sorry about my mirror. It's dirty. Forget it. Whatever. Bye.
Hey guys, so playing Roblox, and we're in play game. Yeah. So.
Oh, the butterfly pillow is nice. The cortinas, the curtains are nice. They're like $4.
Yeah, but they're very sleek for inside.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, it's filled with beer. Oh, it is.
For Valerie. Since she likes to color a lot. It's like no, this is 7. The roll is like $4.99. That one over there looks nice.
Which one?
The gray one right here. $8.49. This one's nice. Where? $6.19. But it's just that one.
Yeah, but that's like practically all I need.
Oh. Oh yeah, look, I didn't. Oh, this is good. That's not bad. It's comf.
I like this one.
That one?
I like the color, but it's not from our room though.
Do you think this one's nice? Should I get this one
I like that one.
or the other one? The other one looks it fits me perfect. Oh, this is for little kids. I'm going between these two chairs.
It's actually holding this is kind of a good little.
That's the one you have, huh?
Yeah, that's the one I have. Yeah, this one's fine. And that one does have
Oh,
a liver.
that's 200.
That one's 200?
This one's 200. This one, yeah, 220, 219. Oh, this is a nice room.
Yeah. Oh, that mirror.
Oh yeah, that one's nice. It's 100, dude. That's not bad. This bedding too is nice. Yeah, me too.
I want it like that size.
This is a nice room.
It's a nice bed. I like it.
Oh, look at the crib. But the crib's not bad. The crib's 200.
The crib?
Yeah, it's cheap and it's cute. $329.
Pues the only malo que según they say that from here, like you need to, they recommend you buy the mattresses.
From here,
Yeah.
but it looks like you only fit by yourself.
And it's a queen.
It looks small.
I think because my bed has that.
That big frame. No, but I feel like this is small. This is a small queen. Like this, it wouldn't.
It looks like Julio's bed.
Yeah, like it wouldn't fit me and my husband. It just fit me. What is it?
Look, Janet, that's $60.
Like, yeah, that's the one that I want, but I don't want it up like that. I want it like going down. This one's nice too, and it's $100.
That's what I told you.
No, that one.
This is the one that I told you.
You did?
Yeah.
You think it would fit in my room if I took away the?
The black one?
Yeah. 2 months. How much are they?
Bad. 35.
35.
Oh my gosh, that girl's voice is so annoying.
Oh, the white one. Yeah, I'll be bumping it in my room. Be jamming in my room.
You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. This is day 1 of quarantine. So I couldn't film in Ikea anymore, but this is what I bought. So I bought these 4 bookshelves. I couldn't film in Ikea anymore, but where I plan on putting these are either putting them vertically here, or like having them here on this section. I don't know what to do with that. Sorry about the little mess right there. Whatever. Or like putting them here, changing that there to here. I don't know. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Be safe.